Ultrasound. Introduction. Ultrasound imaging uses sound waves and not X-rays. Select true or false. Correct. Ultrasound technology is similar to the sonar used by fishermen to detect schools of fish or the Navy to detect submarines. Sometimes patients are asked not to eat or drink for several hours before an ultrasound test. Select true or false. Correct. It may also be important not to urinate before the ultrasound test. Is the ultrasound test painful? Select yes or no. Correct. Ultrasound tests are usually painless. Are all ultrasounds invasive? Select yes or no. Correct. Most ultrasounds do not require the transducer to be inserted inside the body. If your doctor recommends an invasive ultrasound, ask if it involves any risks. Can ultrasounds only produce still images of an organ? Select yes or no. Correct. Ultrasounds can produce moving images. That is how doctors examine blood flow in the Doppler ultrasounds. Thank you for using Explain.